Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. Today we're going to do a fun boxing. Oh gosh, I make myself laugh. Sorry about that. That was awful. We're going to do an unboxing. I have Beautometry's My Mini Box. This is the July one, and I think this is a really awesome one from what I've read about it so far. So, don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it. Comment below with any questions or what you like best in the box. And do please subscribe. It really helps out my little channel. Plus, you'll get notified about videos to come like this DC, review and inspiration video. I did a bunch of, this isn't all of them. I'm probably ready to do the video, so you may see that in the next couple of days. I'm writing up my notes on it. But, anyway, hope you like those. That is my next little thing in the next couple of days to kind of show you some more options from those plates and give you the lowdown and what I think of them. But that is not this video. This video is a big box of yummy stuff. So let's check this out. As always, there's going to be a card kind of explaining what you got and what the theme is. This is summer concert season themed. And I'm going to open this right away because it's a nice black velvet bag. Very pretty. Alright, so we've got cuticle putty. Now this is amazing stuff. I've reviewed Beautometry's cuticle putty before. Very, very emollient. It's great on the cuticles, and it lasts a while. It's really great. It has lanolin in it, which means I can't use it, but I have gotten it for very many friends as presents. I don't think I've seen it in the polish pickup for a while, but it used to be in the polish pickup all the time. Ooh, I really like the nice wrapping. I only went to one concert this summer. It was Windrose, which I think they describe themselves as dwarven metal, like Tolkien themed a little bit. They're from Italy. They're definitely power metal. Anyway, you can tell me what concerts you went to in the comments, or if you play an instrument. Remember all my friends who were poor friends who were in marching band. There's a lot of training and walking and heavy things carrying, multitasking. Ooh, okay. So this is Hit the Bottles. I just can't get enough. It looks like a stamping polish bottle because Michelle's been putting her stamping polishes in these, and then the other polishes in more like square bottle kind of. Let's see what this is. It just says neon nail polish though, so we'll give it a try. I've got my little tile here, so let's get rid of this wrapping. Onto the floor you go. Ooh, and then a panoply of plates. Excellent. Very excited about this. I like the gingham tissue paper. Very summery, very picnicky. I love it. The Beautometry packages are always so well thought out, I think. Alright, so that is going to go away. And I guess this is going to go away now since it's open. Oh my goodness. I have wanted this plate forever. This is Dixie Plates Festival Fever. Festival Fever. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So it's got the Hamsa, or the Hand of Fatima. That's one of my favorite images. I don't always celebrate Shabbos, but I do like to keep imagery around. Alright, let's see. Dixie Plates. We got lots of eyes here. Protection from the evil eye. I know it's very popular like the Hindu, like the kumkum was when Gwen Stefani made it popular, but I don't see it as a, this is so many cultures from Italy to the Fertile Crescent, Africa, like the eye imagery is universal. So anyway, but these, I mean, there's such a variety. And then I guess this is kind of out on the playa or wherever, you know, maybe it's not Burning Man, maybe it's something else. I don't go to festivals. The Southwest US is probably the exact opposite of anywhere I'd want to go. I like cold places and snow and lots of ice, high temperatures of 65 in the summer, that sort of thing. Le Musée collection. Let's just see here. Oh, we have another awesome one. 05. This is a MoYou London plate. Of course, they have many collections. We've got a lot of art images here, just general abstract art. Oh, would that I had found this, would that I had opened this before I did my abstract art in red for the collab I just did. That is coming up on my Instagram soon, which will be in the description box in case you want to follow me. Rockstar Collection by MoYou London is a classic. I always love their stuff. But I might have this one, so I'm gonna do that thing where I stop and look for it because this might be in the giveaway. And then I do have this one. I do, I think. So I'm gonna look for that too and find that so I can sample everything with you and you know, let you know what I think of it. Be right back. Alrighty then. So I have both plates. That means both plates are going to be in the giveaway, which should be fun. I'll add a polish to that. I don't know exactly what polish. I have a big stack of polishes that are for my future giveaways. And we will play with these a little bit, shall we? I wanted to show you, I did a, there's a collab that does abstract manis on Instagram, and I have joined it, and today I finished my red themed abstract mani, and I am so super, I don't know, I'm just really happy with it. This is my literal favorite color coordination, color palette, the red, the white, and the turquoise, and sometimes some black, it depends. But I really love this one, and I hope you do too. I just had to show you because, you know, that's what I do. I show you things. Okay, so here we go. We're going to put down a layer of paper towels so that I can start stamping it up without having to clean up my mat. All right, so, all right, let's try Le Musée. Has anyone been to a museum that, like, absolutely blew them away? We have a really good St. Louis Art Museum, but I've always wanted to, of course, go to La Louvre. And I forget what it's not William and Mary, that's a university, but there are a few museums in the Netherlands and Poland, maybe Poland. Anyway, I used to do medieval costume research, and there's a bunch of museums that I'd love to go to. But there's a really cool one in Canada and in the UK, I think. Anyway, so much vagueness. Aren't you all thrilled? Should be listening to me. But these are really cool. Let's see if this polish can stamp. Otherwise, I do, of course, have some stamping polishes. Let's see. Are we going to stamp? Shall it stamp? Will it stamp? That reminds me of that series on YouTube, Will It Blend? Has anybody ever seen that? It stamps! It stamps! We have success! This is awesome. And then, of course, I'll do at least one tutorial for my, like a real mani with this box, and that'll come up as a separate video, usually in a couple of weeks. It gives me a little time to put that together. I've been working on DC a bunch lately, as you probably saw at the beginning of the video. And do I want to do any others? I should have done one of the solid shapes behind one of the funky shapes, but oh well. I think you guys get the gist of this plate. Also, some images for smaller nails, whichever ones you as their guardians think are appropriate. The lips are pretty cool. I like that. I think this can go in here, which would be fun if that's the case. Yeah, so that's the first plate. And I'm going to put that away so that we can play with more plates. Really excited, this polished stamps. Just to stick down. Okay, and we're going to do these marching band figures. And look at how long, I have reviewed Beautometry's plates in some other videos, but I really love how long their images, some of their images are. It really gives you freedom. I like to work with long nails a lot, and it's just been, sometimes it's hit and miss with whether I can use certain plates. Well, there are ways around it. I have made a video on stamping for long nails. Whoop, probably lost my time on that. Yeah, I lost my time. But that's okay. I had to rescue the polish. It did fall over. We try again. We persist. All right. Let's get some of these. Some of these characters. Fun, fun, fun. I wonder if the drum major's in there. Kind of always wanted to be fancy in the marching band, but you wear like these long sleeved, like full poly jackets in the hot summer. It is not for everybody. I have had friends kind of pass out in high school. Anyway, just some really cool things. I do want you to smile. The color guard. All of this is very cool. Ooh, individual. This plate has everything. Everything a band geek could desire. Digging the... Is this a sax? I don't know. Clearly, I'm no expert. You wouldn't even think I'd been in a college music program. I remember nothing. Okay, so I really like her. I am going to stamp her. But I really do love all of these images here. I just really dig them. Love this. I don't know if you remember, anybody remembers the kind of big band craze in, whenever that was, 90s, early aughts. And we all had, that movie Swing Kids came out and everybody was doing swing dancing. It was a lot of fun. I can't dance. My husband of 10 years, we are no longer together, but he was always trying to get me to dance because he used to teach with his mom swing. And there were like multiple kinds of swing, like East Coast and West Coast or something like that. And he would try to tell me the difference. And I'm like, I literally took one ballet class at 4 years old. And I was in a couple of musicals where I had to learn dance steps. And that is my entire exposure to dance. I cannot dance like as a couple or anything. Love it. this is a great plate. MoYou London really always puts on their best face forward. All right, so put this one aside, and check me out for follow my channel. Make sure you're subscribed. My giveaways are subscriber only, and they're also US. But the giveaway video for these will be coming up soon. One more plate to test before we go. And I'm going to do that Hamsa because it's a great one. Probably a little bit too big for some people's nails. I bought one of those shrinking stampers, the clear kind, but I don't know where I've put it. I rearranged my working space a while ago, and there are a number of things that I cannot locate. So, but if I do a mani with this, I will demonstrate my shrinking stamper and see if that works. Okay, so we're still doing the purple because I'm digging it. Really love the stamping polish. So besides Vermilion to 1, my favorite hit the bottle stamping polish is called Electro Candy Pop. It's just this beautiful bright teal that is this great color. It's actually, I used it in that mani I just showed off to you. That it's the teal stamping polish. If you get back to watching the middle of the video. Anyway, let's do one of the eyes too. While I say, can I think about a band pun? I certainly didn't look any up. No, I can't. It's late. Eyeball! Eyeball for you! Totally different Oprah audience. An eyeball for you, an eyeball for you, and you, and you. Everybody gets an eyeball. Anyway, this is a great box, just chock full of the good stuff. So if you want to subscribe, I'll have the link and stuff in the description box below. But I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope you enjoyed your time with me. I certainly love to be able to get videos out and talk to you who are my friends. And don't forget to look out for the stuff that's coming. There is stuff coming. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.